harbors over half of all animal and plant species on Earth, underscoring its critical role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. In equatorial rainforests, animals demonstrate remarkable adaptations to navigate their complex habitat. For instance, gibbons perform aerial acrobatics, while Draco lizards glide effortlessly through the trees. Plants employ various survival strategies, including fruit protection and mimicry. These adaptations enable trees to attract animals for effective seed dispersal, ensuring their continued growth. Remarkably, some forest plants thrive in less than 1% of full sunlight, showcasing their resilience in extreme shade. This ability highlights the unique adaptations of flora in these challenging environments. The aum flower, a parasitic plant, extracts energy from a host vine, illustrating the intricate relationships within the ecosystem. Such adaptations allow it to grow large and attract necessary pollinators. Trees are instrumental in drawing up water and producing clouds, influencing local climate and weather patterns. Through photosynthesis, billions of leaves contribute significantly to this vital process. Adult lions require a substantial meat intake, needing at least 20 kilograms weekly for survival. Their existence is closely linked to the availability of prey during drier seasons. As the wet season commences, vital rains rejuvenate the environment, paving the way for new grasses to flourish. This seasonal shift attracts millions of animals, inciting a migration in search of nourishment. C4 grasses have evolved to excel in Africa's scorching climate, enabling herbivores to adapt and thrive. This evolution has given rise to a diverse array of animal species that depend on these grasses. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals, can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Their lightweight and streamlined physiques facilitate their ability to outrun prey across the grasslands. Lions display a unique social structure that enhances their group hunting capabilities. Their size enables them to tackle larger prey, showcasing their adaptability to environmental challenges. The distinct ecosystems of East Africa and the Congo shape the species that thrive there. Unique animals like the okapi and red river hogs fulfill vital roles within their respective habitats. Giant otters must consume about 20% of their body weight in fish daily, establishing their position as apex predators in the Amazon ecosystem. They primarily hunt abundant catfish. Amazon's diverse catfish species exhibit a range of lifestyles, from migratory schools to solitary giants, all playing essential roles in the food chain. Many become prey for the otters. As the dry season approaches, food scarcity emerges as a challenge for aquatic species, including manatees, which need to consume large quantities before the lean months. This situation emphasizes the seasonal impacts on the ecosystem. The Amazon River network is crucial for many species, as it floods for half the year, reshaping habitats and altering the behaviors of local wildlife. This seasonal transformation is vital for survival. Amazonian trees have evolved to withstand prolonged flooding, developing mechanisms to manage oxygen levels. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in such extreme environments. Breeding behaviors of fish like Capella arnoldi adapt to seasonal changes, demonstrating a life cycle finely tuned for survival amid flooding. Parental care during this phase is essential. The cold equator presents challenges for both flora and fauna, prompting unique adaptations for survival amid extreme temperature variations. These adaptations are critical for their continued existence. The high Andes Mountains in Ecuador confront significant environmental challenges, highlighting the tension between the sun's warmth and the chill of high altitudes. In harsh climates, plants and animals engage in mutual survival strategies. For example, hummingbirds depend on flowers for nectar while aiding in pollination, underscoring their ecological interdependence. Spectacle bears primarily consume the nutrient-rich bracts found on trees, which sustain them for days. This choice of diet reflects their adaptation to the unique features of their habitat. The competition between spectacle bears and puya plants illustrates the bear's powerful jaws and feeding strategies. This interaction showcases the complex relationships within their ecosystem. These bears are the sole species in South America thriving at the equator, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically. Their survival exemplifies unique evolutionary adaptations. Boobies struggle to find food as rising ocean temperatures and changing currents impact their hunting grounds. Their survival intricately depends on these shifting environmental conditions. Many animals, including albatrosses, rely on rich waters to feed their young. This reliance emphasizes the crucial role of ocean currents in sustaining the ecosystem. Frigate birds engage in piracy, stealing food from other birds like boobies, highlighting the competitive nature of survival in the animal kingdom. This behavior reveals the harsh realities of life in the wild. El Niño affects not only marine iguanas but also a variety of seabirds, impacting their reproductive success as food becomes scarce. This phenomenon leads to increased mortality rates among young chicks. During El Nino years, marine iguanas face starvation due to a lack of nutrient-rich currents, compelling them to adapt by reducing their body size. This survival tactic enables them to endure periods of food scarcity. The arrival of cold waters from Antarctica signals a shift in the ecosystem, leading to a surge in plankton that supports diverse marine life. This influx brings a season of abundance for many species. Coral reefs are home to an astonishing diversity of marine life, boasting over 400 different coral species alongside countless fish species. This biodiversity is crucial for the overall health of ocean ecosystems. The symbiotic relationship between polyps and plants is vital for coral reef development. They exchange nutrients and support each other's growth, forming the foundation of reef ecosystems. Insights into coral breeding behaviors reveal their evolutionary adaptations and resilience. The synchronized spawning events reflect their intricate reproductive strategies. Mass spawning events enable multiple coral species to fertilize each other efficiently, despite their immobility. This process is essential for maintaining genetic diversity within coral populations. Hybrid corals can flourish if they possess traits suited to their new environments. Over time, these hybrids may contribute to the emergence of entirely new coral species. Historical climate changes, such as ice ages, have significantly influenced coral hybridization patterns, allowing unique adaptations and the rise of superspecies within coral reefs.